guys, I'm here to review this Fire TV, the 3rd generation from Amazon, and this little device is awesome. It's priced at $69.99 at Amazon, but I did take advantage of the sale. Got this baby for $34.99, so that's awesome here. And it comes with Alexa, voice remote, the Ultra HD 4K, Dolby Audio, quad core, 1.5 gigahertz, and then you can hook it up to your Wi-Fi, of course. So if you look all around here, what's included: Amazon Fire TV 3rd generation, Alexa voice remote, 2 AAA batteries, the power adapter, and then the USB cable. So let's go ahead and open this up and see how it looks and see how it runs. Alright, so upon opening up the box, we do have the Fire TV here, and it comes with the HDMI cable attached to it. And then it comes with the power adapter, the power cord. Then it comes with 2 AAA batteries for your remote, and then an instruction manual. Alright guys, the way this works, you hook up your USB cable to your power adapter. Just hook that up. Then your power cord to the Amazon Fire TV there. You just hook that up. You see that it's plugged in. Then you get the batteries that are included in the box, and you just push in the back cover there. Very easy. Alright, now you get your Amazon Fire TV, and then you hook it up to the HDMI port on your TV. And you just let it hang. See how it hangs? Don't forget to connect your power supply. Alright, now that I have power to the Amazon Fire TV, it wants me to pair my remote. So it wants me to hit the home button. So you just hold that button. Since we have batteries in there, see there, it linked up the remote to your Amazon Fire TV. Now it wants me to push the play button. So here we're going to choose a language. Of course, it's English. Send a scan for networks. Go ahead and put in my information. Alright guys, so I just put in my Wi-Fi password, and now the first thing it's going to do is check for updates. Then it's registered itself. Next, it's going to want your registration info. If you have an Amazon account, you can go ahead and sign in here. Register. If not, you can create an account. It takes a long time with the remote, so I recommend you go on the computer, do it on the computer, come back and enter the information on register. Alright, once you put in your information, you're successfully registered. Then you're going to go in here. You're going to continue as that person that you have registered. You want to save your Wi-Fi password, you can do that. I'm going to push no. Then our Fire TV's design, it's just telling you to enable parental controls. I'll push no. Checking for network speed. Here it's going to give you a commercial. It's going to tell you other advertisement, what it can offer. I just forward everything. They're always trying to make you sign up for something, so don't fall for it. No thank you. Put everything no thanks, no thanks. And here we go, home menu. And this is how your home screen's gonna look. This is how everything is here. You can go. This is how the home screen of an Amazon Fire Stick and a Fire TV looks. But you see, the Fire TV runs smoother. It's just a lot faster than the Fire Stick. I would not waste my time on a Fire Stick. I've had one before and it's no good. It just makes me frustrated. So here with the Fire TV, it's less frustration, you know. It just runs smooth. It can just go faster. Alright guys, so I think this is a great product. Amazon Fire TV. It's been out forever. It's one of the best sellers on Amazon. It's good. I bought it. I'm gonna keep it. You know, for $35 is an awesome deal. Even for $70, it still runs. The apps are really good. All right, guys. You have a great day.